आम्ही NGT पिटिशन पळय घायलेलें रिगार्डींग वेस्टर्न बायपास आमकां स्टिल्सांचेर जाय म्हूण ऑन बिहाफ द चिल्ड्रन एंड विलेजेस. जुनान ऑर्डर पास जाल्ली. आयज आमी ऑगस्टान येयला तेन्ना म्हाका 2-3दां देखून ईमेल बरयतकच आयज फायनली तेणी ती मिटींग घेतल्या एंड आय हॅड रिक्वेस्टेड दॅट आय मे बी गिवन अ ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू प्रेजेंट तेंचे मुखार. एक्चुअली गेल्या त्या विकान आमी भुरग्यांक घेवन वचपा आसली टू द गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड because all these days for 2 months there was no action taken. Today they have come here, heard us. Today Mr. Joglekar was there from the pollution control board. Our collector Ms. Katyal, she was also present. We had the environment department representatives there. We had the WRD engineers, executive engineer. We had the PWD NH executive engineers and the member secretary of the Goa Biodiversity Board, and also who is the member secretary of the Wetlands Authority. I have put forth my case. Even though findings आमी धाडीत आसा, आयज तेंचे पळय रिपोर्ट जाल्लो WRD रिपोर्टाचेर तेजेरूय तेंकां प्रेजेंट केला. Ironically, the report which they have used to study the WRD was done during the entire summer. They state that it is done on the average rainfall. But that is all theoretical. We wanted them to come and see when there was actual flooding. Full Mongol, Serauli, Benoli, सगळ्या फ्लड जाल्लो. आनी तेणी आनी एक पॉयंट काडला की MLAन सांगलो म्हूण थिंगा ड्रेजिंग केलें तेन्ना सावन डिसिल्टिंग केलें तेन्ना सावन फ्लडिंग जावं ना म्हूण. I told them that the MLA is on record on the floor of the house in this last assembly session. He stood for a minute to tell that after Mr. Vijay Sardesai spoke that the western bypass has to be on stilts, he stood up and said that yes, the people of Benauli, Serauli and Mongol are demanding the western bypass on stilts and it's needed.
So now what was the final outcome?
The final outcome is what they will decide. The committee has told most of the officials or the subordinate officials to move out. They have heard me and now they will take a decision or probably have another further meeting. I do not know, but I have once again pleaded to them, we are not against the western bypass. Only thing what we demand is do not reclaim land. Puro in Karnakai. पुरोयल जाल्यार आमी काबार जातली. इट्स नॉट जस्ट फ्लडिंग. लोकांगे शेतांय पुरतली ते फकत बाणाले पुरयताय तेच जाग्यांनी. आडसुले म्हणटाय थिंग देखून लोकां त्रास जातले. सुराले लोकां देखून त्रास जातले. उदो वचपा वाट ना जाय थिंग उरतले. हाव कॅन दे कंपेन्सेट अस? वन टायम दे वर फार्मर्स. सो हाव डू यू कंपेन्सेट देयर एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटी? तेंगे पोट. Besides the damage that they are doing to the entire environment. We only demand put it on stilts or wait till you have the funds if you don't have them.
In presentation that they did,
I did a PowerPoint presentation. I showed them videos of the flooding which happened in June. आमी जूनान देखून ते दिसा थिंग वचून उलो मारलो कम एंड सी म्हूण. कोण येवना. 2 पार्टी बुडले. Nobody came. And now when everything is settled, we want to study.
ते presentation हाचेर कितें सांगता ते तुमी?
Presentation ate म्हणटाय we have seen the flooding, we will take it as facts, but we do not require to come when it is flooded. This is I don't think so this is practical the way they are going ahead. Looks like we are planning to fail. We are planning to fail the environment, planning to fail the lives of the people, planning